Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Uthando Nestembu, the Macele edition. Guys, I don't know if it's only me that has noticed ukuthi ever since uMakhwela entered the marriage, uMacele is at her happiest. Ever since uMakhwela entered the marriage, uMacele is at her happiest. Like ugirl uyaglowa, ugirl uhappy, ugirl izinto zimhambela kahle, kahle ugirl upopile. Ukuthi upope ini, I don't know. But it looks like her marriage is flourishing now that uMakhwela is in the picture, because now ugirl nama diary sessions wakhe man amnandi, you know. It's only on the first episode where she was gossiping about uMayeni nama siblings wakhe, of which we have all understood ukuthi it is wrong and it is uncalled for. And because of bekagossipha ngale ndaba yokuthi istin in stin out, and yena she's the stina i-first break original because ushaye uMayeni ngestina to being the first wife, and till today she is still there, she's still standing, right? But here's the thing, still there, still standing is happy. Girl, excuse me, so now uMacele uhappy ugirl kuma diary sessions wakhe, uhappy nga everything, uhappy ukuthi uMakhumalo uyafokofa, because remember yena noMakhumalo they were in good terms until she did not show up kumshado kaMakhumalo. uMakhumalo then said to her, I am not happy with what you did, because mina relationship yami nawe I don't base it on top of Umthombeni. Umthombeni is not the center of our relationship, is not the center of our understanding. And it hurts me to see you put Umthombeni in the center of our understanding, in the center of our setup. But relationship, I'm still married to Umusa Mseleku. I am still the matriarch of this family, and therefore I did not want to attend his wedding after the said yes that we have agreed on. But after they said yes that they have agreed on, uMseleku ushadile, guys. uMseleku ushadile, wife number 5. And uMacele supportive of wife number 5. So her standards naye, girl, they are shaky. Her standards nje, let's be honest, they are not standarding. They depend ukuthi who is who. So ahambe ke nomuntu wakhe, baye kuphi, baye eMzumbe, bayobona ukuthi eMzumbe kwenzakalani. Achaza uMseleku ukuthi uMzumbe ifile ngoba nonke nihambile kanje, and mina mangiplan ukunithengela imizi, ngiplan ukuthi laba abanye nabo bazograduate abaye emizini yabo, njengoba nawe uhlala eSiphaqa, bengiplan ukuthi kuzohlala uMakhwela la. But because there's this back and forth, uMakhwela cannot come and stay, because I need to make sure ukuthi abafazi bami bonke ba right. So meaning ukuthi uMzumbe ubulawa ilaba about 3, right? Sharp. uMacele abuza umyeni wakhe ke ukuthi baby, kanti ke why ungabumlethi? Angisho we know ukuthi what is your plan, to show ukuthi the way she's so happy ukuthi laba abanye bayafokofa, athi mina ngiyakusupporta, akeze uMakhwela azohlala la uMzumbe uvuke. Guys, mina no one can tell me otherwise. Diyabuya koStebung, like diyabuya koStebung, ziyabuya eSthenjini, angale kuMonogami ziyabuya, mara eSthenjini zibuya kakhulu ngoba nibanengi. Like, and remember ukuthi as the matriarch, uMacele into ayishoyo, it what holds weight, right? So it was said ukuthi uMseleku wathi hayi nami ngiyazi ukuthi kumele eze, ngiyavuma, but I need to take consideration of laba abanye ukuthi bafila kanjani, laba abanye ukuthi bathini. But yazi mina, this is what I'm thinking, guys, ne? uMacele is finally happy because everybody's feeling her pain. Everybody's feeling how she's feeling. Everybody's understanding the situation that she's been explaining for long. She's not necessarily happy because she wants to be happy or she's genuinely happy. She is happy because there's the uMakhumalo in particular and noMangwabe, they are finally understanding ukuthi ipain yokuedwa kunjani, ipain yokulanyiswa, because uMangwabe was promised ukuthi she's going to be the last one. yet wangena lo, and then uma Khumalo bathatha umuntu wasendaweni, yet yabona situations injani. So mina I feel I might be wrong ukuthi uMaqele, part of why she's happy is that now these ladies are now feeling her pain of not being the only wife. Because if you remember the storyline well when it started, yes, uMusa, it was clear ukuthi ufuna isithembu, but what he did was he married in community of property, a civil marriage, leyo msayino yesitifiketi noMacele, and then umsayino nesitifiketi had to be dissolved. They had to separate so that others can be accommodated and their marriage be registered under under customary law. Meaning ukuthi girl had to sacrifice iphepha lakhe, had to sacrifice what she deemed as her passport or whatever value that a marriage certificate comes with. That this is my thingy, and now that thing had to be dissolved so that all the others can come. Lestimela lesahlala khuluma ngaso sakaMusa Mseleku can be now able to come in. But ugirl happy. uMacele is at her happiest, guys. Season 9 ugirl ucruiser nicely. Ugirl izinto zimhambela kahle, uyihlalele kahle noSneh wakhe, because she did mention ukuthi indlu yakhe yena in particular lesemzumbe is not well taken care of because uSneh sekahlala eSipaka. uSneh akasafuni into enomzumbe phakathi, of which is understandable. uSneh hlala eyi-1 emzumbe kulamajardi angaka. Hawu ngeke shema ngamane umntana ayohlala eSipaki abonde nomama akhe and stuff. And now speaking about uSneh, people were saying on social media ukuthi uSneh is pregnant, but uMacele did not mention anything about Sneh being pregnant. Like nothing was said. So I'm asking myself ukuthi ugirl pregnant ngempela, or was it just social media rumors, or what's happening? Because if she was indeed pregnant, uMacele was not going to be able ukuthi ahlalele leyo nonsense leyo. uMacele was going to fix that nonsense very fast. If there's one thing that we know about her, she holds uSneh accountable like her own biological daughter. There's no way, no shape, no form where we had felt ukuthi la ngathi kugijima something. But with that said, do you think ukuthi uMacele is genuinely happy, or she is using uSamke at this point? Because her happiness is linked with uSamke being part of the entourage. Yeah, hi guys, Shadani asinamona, nisiyeke ku-Singleton, because wow. But I'm happy that this season 9 uMacele is cruising nicely. Season 9 uMacele is not told ukuthi bayamseva. Season 9 uMacele is at her peak and at her happiest moment. Let me know what do you think. This is your girl Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.